Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. So today's video I will be cleaning. I'm actually really excited for today's video just because, if you have been keeping up with the videos, you know that I'm getting ready to sell my house. And so photographers coming in to take some updated pictures. Again, if you have been keeping up for the past 2.5 years, you know that this house looks very different from when I first purchased it. So I'm looking forward to seeing some of the befores and afters of this plan overall. And like I said, not only am I cleaning, I'm also decluttering the house. Today's video is sponsored by CVS. So all of the cleaning products that I'm going to be using in today's video, you can find at CVS. Some of the products are green and eco-friendly and some are not, but I did enjoy using every single one of them today. Not only am I cleaning and decluttering, but I'm also packing. I have a video coming up to give tips on how to get your home seller ready. So I hope you guys are excited to see that. Definitely leave your questions down below, and all of the cleaning products that I'm going to be using in today's video, I'm also going to be linking them down below. That way you guys have access. First things first is me cleaning the kitchen. I am going to be in the house for another month. Yeah, I would say another 30 days. I have been packing. I highly recommend starting early. That way you don't feel overwhelmed the last week or 2 weeks of the move. And again, like I said, I'm also tossing things out. So I went on ahead and used the all-purpose from CVS to spray the stove down and to clean and wipe it all the way down. Everything pretty much still looks brand spanking new. After I got done cleaning, I wiped everything, cleaned off all the counters. I had sealed the grout. So I really feel like the house still, again, 2.5 years isn't long, but it's long enough to create damage. I didn't do too much damage into this house. Everything is pretty much kept up to par. Now that I'm done with the stove area and cleaning inside of the cabinets, I'm going to go ahead and move to some of the packing. So I have, if you guys seen the previous videos, I've started to pack all of the items in the kitchen. By the time this video closes out today, all of the cabinets will be fully cleaned out. The only thing that's left is my seasoning. That's going to be the last thing that I pack, probably 3 days prior before I officially move. And I'll probably just put it in a small box and have that in my car and not in the moving truck. But as I'm taking things out of the cabinet, I'm also wiping it down with that CVS microfiber cloth. I really like it. It's super soft. They're small enough. And so I'm wiping the cabinet and then I'm wiping the inside, making sure everything smells really, really nice. Again, the Total Home All-Purpose Cleaner is not too strong. It leaves a really nice clean scent. So when people are walking around, I'm sure they're going to enjoy how the home smells overall. And let me just say, the dish detergent is like a lavender scent. And you guys, it almost smells very spa-like. I definitely enjoyed washing the dishes with it.
I'm sure you guys know that I clean periodically, like all the time. So everything is pretty much like intact. There may be a couple things that I have to kind of scrub upstairs and all that, but for the most part, the house is pretty much, in my opinion, still in very much pristine condition. Just lightly cleaning up and packing things away. I do love the products from CVS because they smell so good. And if you're someone who wants like natural products, this is really good. Especially with me like leaving stuff, I thought it'd be a really good idea to clean with the natural products. That way everything smells really nice. Cabinets are clean. So if you know someone's looking and they're like opening up stuff, because that's what I do when I'm looking at a house. I'm like opening up things. You want it to smell good and look good, not be all like crusty. Which again, the house was never going to be crusty anyway. But it's nice that everything is just like clean, crumb-free, debris-free. There's very minimal things in the kitchen, so it looks really good. I'm happy with it overall. So I'm gonna finish cleaning and give you guys a scan.
So now I'm moving into the dining area. If you notice, the window's looking a little scarce. Like I said, I have been moving and packing things, but I do have another set of pillows that I decided to go ahead and bring out. These were on the sofa. I decided to keep the sofa pretty neutral with the gray tones, and I bought these pillows into the window. That way, you know, once the pictures come out, everything just still looks very cohesive. Before today's video close out, I just want to say thank you so very much for giving me space to grow, being patient with me, being understanding to my journey overall, and supporting me. I know a lot of you guys are attached to the house. I get it. I am too. I really do love this house, and I'm not gonna lie and say the feeling isn't like a bittersweet feeling, because again, I put so much energy into the house. But I do know that this next chapter is something that I have to do. And considering how things happened in the very beginning and how I came into the house, I'm leaving definitely in a much better position. And so I always want to leave room for myself to grow. And I hope through watching me that, you know, you learn from my mistakes, but then you also watch some of the things that I am doing, and it motivates you at the same time. But again, I wanted to leave the video off today by saying thank you. All of the cleaning products, again, will be linked in the description box down below. But that is pretty much it for the video, you guys. I will see you next time. Leave your questions down below about moving out.